Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I want to show you an interesting Chrome extension that will help you improve your productivity and it will help prevent procrastination. So it's a simple Chrome extension that you can add to your Chrome browser. So I am leaving the link to the extension in the description and also in the comment. So you can install it. So after you install it, instead of Google being your home page, you will come across this page. So here you can save all the opportunities that you want to work on like a bookmark. So this is much more than a bookmark because here you can set the expiry date and it will give you alerts when the expiry date is due. So I use it to track various innovation opportunities, whether I'm applying for jobs, whether there are various innovation categories or competition that I want to track, jobs, all those things I track with this. So this extension is pinned here. If I go here and put in as jobs, you can see the jobs that I'm planning to apply, and this is the deadlines for this. So as and when the deadline comes, it will come in the urgent tab. So how it works is like if you are a student applying for a scholarship, so you can come to this website, any website. So here 14 September is the last day for application. So you don't want to apply it now, so you want to apply it later, but you don't want that opportunity to miss out. So you can just come here and go here and say scholarships. So the deadline for this is 14 September. Right now you go here, if you put any description you can want to put in description, you can put it here and just say save link. So what it will do is it will add that link in here in the, if you look at here, if you look at it, open dashboard, you can see those opportunities. So this scholarship, see, this is the 14th September. Now if I go there and change it to a date which is quite close, let's say 31st August, right? Now if I say save, now you see it comes in urgent, so that way it gives you notification on the things that you want to work on, so that way you will not miss out any opportunities. So once it is done, you can just go here and even mark it as complete. Okay, so that will get striked off from here. If you want, you can delete it also from here. So this will be helpful in tracking scholarships, whether you are a student, whether you want to work on various innovation opportunities or hackathons. Let's say this is an hackathon that I want to work on. So 17th October is the deadline for this. So I'll come here and say innovation opportunity competition, 17th October I will say. Then I'm gonna just say save link. Then I can just close this up. Right now if I go to various opportunities, this is a data science role for a job. So let's say these are all time bound. This opportunity is expiring on September 10th. So I'll come here and say this is job that I want to save, September 10th. I'll put the date 10th September and just say save link. Right now if I go into my dashboard here, if I just refresh it and say filter it for jobs, I can see all the jobs that I have looked for is here. Now if I want to click on anything, it will take me to that particular page. So it's very easy, you just have to click on it. So when the deadline is due, then you can just click on it and quickly find it and apply for it. So this way you will be more organized and you will not lose out on any opportunities. So this will help. So these are various opportunities that I want to work on. So as and when I work on it, I just check it here. So otherwise I used to write this down in a normal notebook, which is quite time consuming, and I may not even know when the deadline is due. So you can sort it by category, you can sort it by alphabetically. So you can see here, or you could sort it by deadline. So I hope this extension is useful. Thank you very much, and subscribe for more such videos.